Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to usefulh.com, and today we're going to continue with our pagination class, and I'm going to show you how to fetch results from a database and then use the pagination class on the values you're going to get from a database. So I'm inside my OOP folder. Inside the pagination class, everything is still same, just only I've took all the code off, which was calling this class and the functions inside it. So I'm going to open the file called index.php. Very first, I'm going to include my pagination class. So I'm going to say class pagination.php. Next thing would be I'm going to make a connection with a MySQL database. So I'm going to say MySQL connect to localhost root, and the password going to be no. Next thing would be MySQL select db, and the database gonna be test. Then I'm gonna say $SQL is equals to MySQL query select all from test, and then I'm going to run a while loop, and I'm going to put everything into an array. So I'm going to say while $row is equals to MySQL fetch array $SQL, and I'm going to say $result is an array equals to $row, and if I'm going to print r $result, come back here. I'm going to say OP. Okay, so that shows it's equals to an array, and the database I'm using is out here. I've already created one. You guys can also create yours with a name test and a table name test. Okay. Next thing is I'm not going to print out anything out here. I'm going to create a new instance of the class pagination, or I'm going to say new pagination. Okay, and then I'm going to call some methods inside it. So I'm going to say $numbers would be equals to $pagination, and our very first method is this paginate. So I'm going to say paginate the values that we want to paginate. Then I'm going to say result, and how many results I want per page. So I'm going to say 2 for now. Uh, that I believe is fine. Next thing I'm going to say is $data will be equals to pagination fetch result. Okay, then we will have to run a couple of for each statements. So the very first one gonna be for each $data as $d. Then I'm gonna say echo $d content. Okay, and here I'm gonna say for each $numbers as $n. I'm gonna say echo index.php $page will be equals to $n, and here would be $n. Come back and refresh this page. Okay, and you know what, probably I can say a break tag here. Now, so on page number 1 I have a couple of values, and on page number 2 they are same. That's amazing. Let me check out why. So I will say 2 same 1. Okay, I got it, guys, because I have to say page equals to like this. So come back. If I'm going to click on the one, it shows PHP jQuery. If I'm going to click on the second one, it shows CSS HTML. So in this way, you can even list your post or whatever you guys want. If you want, you can work with some static values by creating an array, or you can get everything from a database, make it equals to an array, and you can use this particular class. So I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.